Hello, Tailtunes tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. There lived a girl named Ema. She was born from a family of violin players. Her father was an ideal violinist and a professor at a reputed university. Her mother also was a professional violin player. Ema's brother too played the instrument and was a member of choir team at their church. Nonetheless, Ema was not like them. She could not play the musical instrument. You need to be one with the instrument, Ema. Why couldn't you get it? Said Ema's father all the time. Every time he forced her to practice the instrument, it hurted her and felt like she did not belong to the family. She even tried to be like them, but couldn't. Ema spent most of her time drawing and painting. Her sketchboard holded various paintings which showed her interest. She had passion towards art and expressed her mind through her work. But her family did not know. All they knew was that Ema could not play the violin. They were not happy with that. Ema loved her family. She wished to make them proud. But how could that happen when she could not do what they wanted her to do? The answer came when Ema's drawing teacher discovered her talent. She encouraged Ema for art activities and competitions at school and state levels. Ema's talent was impressive. She won trophies and medals for her excellent work. Eventually, Ema gained an opportunity to participate in a painting competition at national level. She felt excited. On that event, Ema decided to convey her fondness towards painting. She painted a picture of her family performing together on a stage with their instruments. Emotions were so alive in her painting. It came out to be a splendid one. The grand event declared Ema to be the national prize winner. That was a proud moment for herself and her parents as well. It was then Ema's parents learnt about her interest and never again forced her into the violin notes. They admired her paintings. Ema finally found her niche. Being different does not mean not having the talent to fit a group. It simply means having something unique to offer to the world. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.